guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to find the secure folders on Samsung. If you want to find the secure folders on Samsung but you don't know where to find it, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now secure folder means hidden folders on iPhone. So it is similar to like that. So in this secure folder, you'll be able to hide all of your images which are private and you just want to add it on a secure folder. But if you have already added and you don't know where to find it from, then you just need to open gallery, and from here you won't be able to find because you will not be able to see the option after clicking on menu. Also, the thing is that Samsung has already launched a new thing known as secure folder app. So if you go on your app section and here you can see the option secure folder like this. So without doing that, you may also simply open an app drawer, and from here you may simply search that secure folder app, and from here you just need to unlock draw. From here you just need to draw the pattern, or you just need to enter the pin or password if that is required, or if you have kept it. And by doing all of it, you'll be able to find the secure folder and see the secure image on Samsung device. So that's it. That's how you can find the secure folder on your. So that's it. That's how you can find the secure folder on a Samsung phone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.